Placements at IIT. Your go-to channel for in-depth job descriptions and career insights. Today, we're diving into an exciting role at one of India's most iconic airlines, Air India. We're going to explore the position of junior data engineer in their data science department. If you're passionate about data analytics and looking to kickstart your career in a fast-paced, tech-driven environment, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Air India, a global airline with an Indian heart, proudly serves over 102 domestic and international destinations. Since joining the Tata Group in 2022, Air India has been on a journey of resurgence, making now the perfect time to jumpstart your career. As a junior data engineer, you will be part of a team dedicated to making Air India the most technologically advanced airline in the world. As a junior data engineer, you will have the opportunity to work with a dynamic group of professionals in a fast-paced environment. This is a great opportunity for motivated and results-oriented graduates with a passion for data analytics to learn from industry professionals and gain hands-on experience in data analysis, machine learning, and statistical modeling. This position is a valuable opportunity to gain practical experience in the field while contributing to meaningful projects that provide valuable insights and support decision-making across various departments within Air India. Your key responsibilities will include collaborating with the data engineering team to design, build, and maintain efficient data pipelines and data infrastructure. You'll assist in the development and implementation of data integration processes to collect, transform, and load data from various sources. Additionally, you'll perform data quality checks, data cleansing, and data transformation tasks to ensure accuracy and consistency. You'll also support the team in optimizing data workflows, including ETL processes, and help maintain documentation for data pipelines and data models. Troubleshooting data-related issues and collaborating with cross-functional teams to develop data-driven solutions will also be part of your role. To succeed in this role, you should have proficiency in programming languages like Python, Java, or Scala, and experience with cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. A strong understanding of SQL, relational databases, and data warehousing concepts is crucial. Additionally, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, coupled with excellent communication and presentation abilities, will be key to thriving in this position. The ability to work both independently and as part of a team is also essential. The places of posting for this role include Gurugram and Kochi, providing opportunities to work in dynamic and growing cities. Can't find the eligibility yet? Don't worry. You can always reach out for more information at placements@iit@gmail.com. The selection process for this role involves 3 phases. Phase 1 is resume filtering, Phase 2 is an online assessment, and Phase 3 is the interview stage. Regarding the compensation, the gross salary for this position is 1551,000, with a total CTC of 1961,873. Additional information: temporary accommodation is provided, there is no bond applicable, and the CGPA cutoff for eligibility is 6.5. Thank you for joining us today.